looks good. Shit. It looks really good. So, this is what I got. Coming soon, I'm gonna be installing BBS wheels on my vehicle.
Yeah.
How's that look?
Yeah, that's badass.
Getting a rear diffuser installed. We're going to be picking up my equal and commit pipe. I think it sounds amazing. I'm happy with it.
Whining.
I know, you hear that? You don't get tired of that noise? I don't.
I mean, I love the noise. I'm not gonna lie. That's the.
Hey, this is like surreal, right? Like, I'm just blown away by this.
I mean, we're really in a different state doing it in the bed.
Yeah.
Look at the river, dude. That's awesome.
Never in my years I would have think that we'd be traveling with doing a car event this early in the stage. So very blessed for you guys to support us, and we appreciate it. Every single comment or every single like that you guys give, whether any platform on social media, Instagram, YouTube, we all appreciate it, right? Today's the day that we're going to be scouting for 2021 of a future BMW Invasion event.
There he is.
We're looking for tip-top tips.
Tipton.
Tip-top?
Sir Tipton.
Tip-top tips?
Tipton.
Tip-top?
Tipton.
Next one.
Peace.
We are.